Today is another day. I'm still with my Murora and my brother. So today she will be assisting me to make my beds, vegetable beds. So in Shona you say nasi.
Nasi.
Ndiri kubatsira. Tete. Kugadzira. Muhomba. Wemuriwo. Muhomba. Wemuriwo. So we start by ridges.
Okay.
So you are going to do from this side to the other side.
All right.
And I'll be going the side.
All right.
So you can start.
All right. So how to do?
Yes. You do like this. Sorry. My home. So you do like this. Let me use yours. Let me just show you by example. You'll be doing like this.
All right.
Yes. Dipping the soil. Like this.
Okay.
Yeah. You can start like that.
All right.
Let me just watch what you're doing. Yes, you're doing great.
All right.
Yes.
Good makoti, yeah?
Yes, you're a good makoti.
Good makoti.
Good makoti. You're doing well. Yes. Up to that end there.
Okay. But this is my first time to do this.
To use a hoe. What do you use in Pakistan?
We never go to field.
You never go to the field?
No.
Wow. Good job for a start. Yes, you are done.
All right.
You are done. Then we are going to dig inside later on.
All right.
For now, let's just stop.
Okay.
Yeah. Good job.